Hey guys, today working on the Baja mini bike, and today I'm going to show you how to use a roller chain breaker. So I have a new chain here. You can see it's longer than my old chain. So I've kind of found the link I need to remove. So to remove it, you have your tool here. You just twist this to help pop it out. You center your link on there. So I'm going to do this link here. Get that centered. And I'm going to twist that down. You look in there and make sure the pin is right on that link you're getting rid of. So I'm just going to twist my tool. It's a little hard, so you just got to keep twisting it. I'm covering it up, but okay, I heard it snap. And you can see it's popped up that other end. Now I'm not done yet. So you can see it's loose, but it's not there yet. Now you can take a screwdriver and try and muscle that off, but these links are really strong. So the best thing to do, turn your link over and do the other side. Same process. Clip it in there. Twist your tool. Twist in. Make sure it gets lined up there. Still got a ways to go. Okay, now you can see, and see if we could look, you can see my pin is right on that link. So I'm just going to twist until it snaps. Haven't heard it yet. Oh, we're good now. Back it off a bit. Unclip it. Now you can see I was able to pop it right out at that point. And now I just got to get this out. Sometimes it doesn't want to, so I'm going to grab my little center punch. It's not liking it. So I'll put my tool back on so I can pop it all the way through there. Get that out now. There we go. I got it. Okay. There you go. Now I got my new link ready to go. That's my old chain. That one I'll set aside as a spare just in case. Now I can put my chain on my bike. Alright guys, that was my little quick tutorial on how to use a roller chain breaker. Really simple. If you look at the packaging, it comes with a spare pin. I'm sure these pins that are in there, they get used and abused, and you got to replace them. Really easy tool to use, and you can pick them up anywhere. I got this one on Amazon. I think it was like $12, $14, something like that. So go out there, get your chain breaker. They come in super handy, and good luck mini biking.